Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. What do we call the yellow part of the egg? Yolk. What do we call the white part of the egg? Albumin. Which is the biggest sport in the world? Soccer. Football. What is the largest river in the world? The Amazon. What is the longest river in the world? The Nile River. Who was the first man on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Where is Eiffel Tower? In Paris. Paris is the capital of France. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. Which is the smallest country in the world? The Vatican City. The second smallest city is Monaco. In which country pyramids are? इजिप्ट, जिसे हम मिस्र भी कहते हैं. The highest mountain in the world. The Mount Everest. How many colors does a rainbow has? Seven colors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the share this video with your family and friends.